Hello everybody, and today I'll be telling you about a strandbeest. So me and my dad were watching this video about the person who made it, and it was actually supposed to walk along the beach and like stop like water from like flooding to like kick the sand, and with the wind it can move. So we spent like a whole day trying to build it, and it's very tricky, but it was worth it.
Without gas?
Yeah, without it can move like without electricity or anything. Let me show you how.
Green power?
Yeah, it's only with pure wind that can move. Yeah. Holy shit. It doesn't move, it just moves. Times with the wind. So we spent like a whole day trying to build it because it was very tricky, but I think it was worth it at the end. So you can like do that, and then this is the cog that makes it move like that. And it can move with these feet. So it moves like using these parts, and I think it was very tricky, and we kept losing parts, like bending them. But eventually we made it with the help of my sister. Yeah, and it was really tiring, but I think it was worth it in the end because it's really nice.
A great idea to explore the green power stuff, right? It's environment protection.
Yeah,
idea.
I think it's someone made by Theo Jansen, I think. That was the guy who invented them. But they're very, I like this a lot, and like, I play it quite a lot. Just these two fans just are really weird, so yeah. And these are definitely one of my favorite things, and it's very fun to play with. And it's like very nice to watch, it's very satisfying, and it's very amazing to like know that someone actually invented this without glue, without like anything really, just sticks and a fan. It's very nice. It's like a monster. They were called like sand monsters back, cause like yeah, so that's why they're called strandbeasts, cause like they're beast. This strandbeast or strandbeast. They're very cool, and these are definitely one of my favorite like things. And oh yeah, and then there's like really big ones. Oh, on the video, like as big as a house, like super cool. I saw them on the video. You know, some people try to fit shoes on them. They like put like trainers, like tennis shoes on some, but it didn't really work. It just looked really funny. It's almost like a human body, just out of sticks. Okay, bye bye. This is for today.